Hello, Algebra 2 students. We are in Unit 4, Tier 1, Lesson 5b. So let's check off the booklet. So here we are with factoring when a equals 1. And if you remember, the a value is just in the standard form here. It's the variable that goes with the x squared variable, or the x squared term. So let's take a look and use the Punnett square like we have before. And we have x squared here, and we have 20 here. So we definitely know this is going to be a relatively easy one like earlier, where we have x times x equals x squared. But now we have to find something that's going to give us 12x for our b term, but also multiply it up to 20. So we can do that with some trial and error. Because I'm a good factorer, I know that 2 and 10 are options of this, because this is going to give me x times 2, which is 2x, and x times 10, which is 10x. And then when I add my like terms here in the middle, I will get this x squared plus 12x equals 20. So therefore, my two factors are x plus 2 and x plus 10. So what we need to notice when we're trying to factor is that we want to get factors of c that add up to b. So we want factors of the last term, or the constant term, that add up to our middle term that goes with just the x variable. Let's come down here and do another example. So we want factors of c, and our c in this case is negative 20. That's our c. That add up to b, which our b is just, well, there's a 1 in front of this x right here. So that add up to 1. So this is our b. Well, right away I can think of 5 and 4. 5 times 4 definitely multiplies to 20, and I want it to equal positive 1. So when I add them, so I definitely want my 4 to be negative. So 5 times 4 is definitely my negative 20, so that checks. And then 5 plus negative 4 gives me my positive 1, so that checks. So now I can come over here and go, my two factors are x minus 4 and x plus 5. And to check our answer, all we have to do is drop it in the Punnett square. So we get x squared, we get 5x, we get negative 4x, and we get negative 20. And then when we add our like terms, we get x squared plus x minus 20. So it checks out.